Right, 7:16 we have to finish this question, right? So do it quickly. அதுக்கு முன்னுக்கு complete பண்ணீங்கன்னா you can tell me, right? The 3 minutes more. If any have finished, யாராவது முடிச்சிட்டீங்களா? Any else?
Last question, madam.
Last question. Okay, okay. When you finish, tell me.
Finished, madam.
Quotient finished. What about others? Brittany, Ahmad, Shiva. What about you all? Have you finished or not? Brittany, answer me. Shiva, Ahmad.
No, teacher.
Not yet, right? Okay, another 1 minute is more. Right, I will change the question. Next question, right? Right. This is part 1 MCQ question. I'll give just 4 minutes, right? You have to finish until 7:20. You have to finish. This is the part 1 MCQ question. Up in the answer, you have to draw. Quickly do this. 7:15 you have to finish, right? Quickly do it. 7:20 class question change பண்ணிடுவேன். Right? Have you all finished this one?
Yes, madam.
Yes. Okay. And this is one structure question, right? நாங்க அன்னைக்கு ஒரு யூனிட் பேப்பர் ஒன்று பார்த்தோம் யூனிட் எக்ஸாம் பேப்பர் ஒன்று ரைட் ஃபோட்டோசிந்தசிஸ் அதில் உள்ள ஒரு கொஸ்டின் மாதிரியே பாருங்க ரைட் டூ இட் குயிக்லி Right now, 5 minutes, Monoji. Have you all finished this one?
Yes, madam.
Yes. Then you want to tell no? Fatima, what about you? Shiva, have you finished? Shiva? Fatima? Shall we go to the next question? Okay. This is essay part question. Right? Essay part la or part. A, B la irukra. This is a B part question. Right? Do it quickly. For Fatima, you're a newcomer, right? Okay. Write the question shortly. No need to write full question, right? Questions are short, you can write the answer, right?
Okay, miss.
Otherwise, you don't have no question, right? That's why I'm telling, right? Short, tell them. this complete பண்ணிட்டீங்களா இத? Are you finished or not? Brittany, Fatima, Question, Shiva, Ahmed, what about you all?
No, miss.
No. Brittany, what about Question?
Done, madam.
You're done. Question?
Not finished, madam.
Finish. Okay, finish it quickly. Tell me.
Finished, madam.
Finished. Next question go right? Because the 1.5 hour class late become more. Have to discuss also, no? Right. See this question. Do it quickly. Have you finished this or not?
Last one, madam.
Okay, okay, do it.
Done, madam.
right? This is the last one. Sorry. Do it. When you finish, tell me. Totally, how many questions I gave? 6 or 7? Tell me. 6 question or 7 question I gave?
6 question.
Right, okay. Finish it quickly.
Finished, madam.
Okay, all of you finished? யாரும் இந்த கொஸ்டின் செய்யாம எனக்காவது விட்டீங்களா?
Miss,
Which one?
I didn't do before 4 questions.
This one?
I joined late, so I didn't do question.
Which one? Which one? All question on
1 to 4.
1 to 4.
Yeah,
This
miss.
one. Okay, do it quickly. I'll give. வேற யாரும் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ண அப்படி இருக்கீங்களா? Nails complete பண்ணாம இருந்தா tell me. I will put these questions again quickly. Fatima, finish it quickly. Right, Fatima, have you finished? Shall we go to the next one? வேற யாரும் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணாம இருக்கீங்களா? Any questions? Brittany, question? Shiva, இந்த questions complete பண்ணாம இருக்குதா? Oh, let's go to the discussion. Right, okay. The first one, let you see, you are assigned, show experimentally that oxygen gas is produced during photosynthesis. Right? For photosynthesis, the oxygen is producing. Oxygen is the subproduct. We studied this, right? Okay, you are provided with a equipment and materials given below and apparatus set up relevant to the experiment. Draw the rough sketch to the setup that you make using given equipment. Did you draw this picture? How to draw that? A beaker, boiling tube, a glass funnel, hydrilla plant, and water. How to draw that? Like this picture, no? Am I correct?
Yes, madam.
Yes. இதே மாதிரி ஒரு picture நீங்க draw பண்ணிருந்தீங்கன்னா that is correct. And a beaker, a glass funnel, and the boiling tube, and the hydrilla plant with water. This is the picture for that question, right? And first question, write an observation that can be made when the setup is exposed to sunlight. What is the observation can we observe?
Oxygen gas releases from aquatic plant.
Oxygen gas is releasing. No. Oxygen is releasing, but first time when oxygen நமக்கு தெரியாதே. So what is the
Like
observation?
a bubble.
Yeah, the gas bubbles will evolve. From where?
From the hydrilla plant.
Yeah, from the hydrilla plant, the gas bubbles is evolved. Where an observation can observe?
That gas collected into top of the boiling tube.
Yes, that is the next observation. That right? How would you confirm that the gas produced during experiment is oxygen? So how to identify this is oxygen?
Using a glowing splinter.
Yes, using a glowing splinter, then the glowing splinter is flaming brightly, right? Up brighter energy, that is oxygen. Write and balance chemical equation for the photosynthesis. What is the equation? Brittany, tell me the equation. Brittany, Shiva, or Fatima, tell me the equation. What is the equation? Tell me quickly. I have 15 minutes. Mona, 6 question discuss parano.
Madam, 6 CO2
Only question is answering. What about others? 6 CO2
plus
plus
6
uh,
H2O.
yeah. Tell me quick.
Turn
What
it
is-
into arrow mark, madam.
Yeah.
C6
Okay. C6
H12
H12
O6
O6
6 O2.
plus 6O2, right? Right. Is this correct? Fatima, is this correct?
Yeah, miss.
Yeah. Brittany, what about you? This equation is correct or wrong? Shiva? பேரை கூப்பிட்டா குயிக்கா ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும்.
It's wrong, miss.
Why? What is wrong?
There is no light energy in chlorophyll.
Yes, you have to write here sunlight, no, and the chlorophyll. Have to write that. Otherwise, that is wrong. Right? Okay. So first question complete, clear? Either doubt irukka first question la no? Easy one, right? And this is the second one. This is the one of the MCQ question you have in gray, I think 2018 paper. Right? This is 2017 paper, right? 2018 la or just MCQ. A plant of leaf colors white and green. This is the white and green plant leaf. While attached to the plant was set out as flowers kept in the open place. Right, you see the picture, sunlight vachirukanga, right? Have to cover with the black paper, in the middle la black paper. After in the corner is white color and middle that is green color. Right? After 2 days, the leaf was detached from the plant and test for starch. After the test, in which of the following ways would the leaf appear? Right, அப்ப எனக்கு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க இந்த லைன்ஸ் வந்து ப்ளூவோ பிளாக் கலர். ஸோ எந்த இடத்துல கலர் சேஞ்ச் ஆயிருக்கு, இந்த ஸ்பேஸ் மட்டும் they asking. What is the answer will come for this picture?
First one, madam.
First one. You telling the first one. How to come first one question? Green, in the practical, என்ன observation நமக்கு we can observe? What is the purpose for this experiment? எதை identify பண்றதுக்கான experiment this one?
To identify the sunlight.
Sunlight? Right, okay. Sunlight identify பண்றதுக்கான practical because they here using the black paper. Okay. And when we test for starch, what is the observation? Can observe? Only for sunlight. You have the white color also, no, in this leaf. So can observe the chlorophyll test also, no? The chlorophyll and the sunlight. Rendu identify பண்றாங்க, right? So you see, in the area மட்டும் தான் they asking. Right? Middle la மட்டும் தான் green இருக்கு. அப்ப green area மட்டும் தானே black or blue color க்கு change ஆயிருக்கும். Am I correct? Only in the space. You see, this is the leaf. Wait. Right, this is the leaf, right? And dark blue change ஆயிருக்கு in the area, you see. In the middle இருக்க இந்த dark green area and இந்த இடத்துல இருக்க dark green area. In the middle part color மாறி இருக்காது. What is the reason? In the middle change ஆயிருக்காது. What is the reason here? The covering with black paper, no? So இங்க photosynthesis நடந்திருக்காது. Okay? Other area, in the areas, what happened? This is the white color. So don't have the chlorophyll, so they do not do the photosynthesis. So what is the answer will come? The picture you can get the answer. What is the answer will come then?
Third
now
one.
Tell me. Third one is the answer. See properly, right? In the green area மட்டும்தான் blue color change ஆயிருக்கு. மத்த எல்லாம் change ஆயிருக்காது. Greenல in the middle area change ஆயிருக்காது because they covered with black paper. Right? Okay. Have any doubt in this one, anyone? யாருக்கு doubt இருக்கா? No, Brittany, Shiva? Speak பண்ணாதான் I can clear.
No, teacher.
Right. And this one. Right, a figure indicates apparatus. This is the same experiment conducted there regard to photosynthesis. Mention the aim of the experiment. What is the aim? Here using the KO check was. So what is the aim of this practical? Either identify பண்றதுக்கு அந்த experiment செய்றாங்க. What is the aim of this experiment? Shiva, tell me the answer. Shiva, can't you tell? Time is going quickly, tell me. Shiva, question செய்தீங்களா இல்லையா? Brittany? Speak பண்ணாதானே எனக்கு தெரியும் நீங்க செய்திருக்கீங்களா இல்லையான்னு. Otherwise I don't know, no? செய்தேனா செய்தேன்னு சொல்லுங்க, இல்லைன்னா இல்லைன்னு சொல்லுங்க. Brittany? Shiva? Mic on பண்ணுங்க. Please on your mic.
No, teacher.
You don't do. Right. Question, what about you?
To identify how CO2 is important for photosynthesis.
Yes, well, to identify the carbon dioxide is important for photosynthesis. Right, good. Draw a labeled sketch of the setup of a control experiment. What is the control experiment? We studied. இதே மாதிரி எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட் நான் அந்த யூனிட் எக்ஸாம் செய்யும் போது we studied. What is the control experiment? இதே ப்ராக்டிக்கல் நாங்கள் என்னன்னு செய்யணும் வேற? Tell me question. What to do for the control experiment? Question?
Don't know.
Don't know? இந்த கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடுக்கு நாங்கள் நார்மலாக எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட் என்ன செஞ்சோம்னு சொல்லுங்க எனக்கு. What is the experiment we studied? Tell me that. Hmm?
Use KOH and
And?
water
Yeah, that is the
for
experiment.
separately.
Yeah, that is the experiment. Yes, see? We studied no this one. We are using KOH and this is the control experiment. How to use water. அதே தான் இங்க இன்னைக்கு. What should do? இதே பிக்சரை வரைஞ்சி இதே மாதிரி எல்லாம் ட்ரா பண்ணி இந்த KOHக்கு பதிலாக என்ன நாங்கள் இங்கே நோட் பண்ணணும். ரைட், இங்கே ஒரு பொட்டில் என்ன வச்சிருக்காங்க, இங்கே KOH எக்வஸ் வச்சிருக்காங்க. இங்கே இதே பிக்சரை வரைஞ்சி இது வந்து H2O மார்க் பண்ணோம்னா தட் இஸ் த கண்ட்ரோல் எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட். அண்டர்ஸ்டுட்?
ஓகே மேடம்.
சேம் இதே மாதிரி ஒரு பாட் பிளான்ட் வரைஞ்சி சன்லைட் எல்லாமே வரைஞ்சி இதே செட்டப்ல கிளாஸ் ஜார் எல்லாம் போட்டு ரைட் KOHக்கு பதிலாக we have to write H2O. That's all. Right? Right. Okay. Yeah, this is a one big question, right? We'll either path it on the essay question for now, right? What is the observation that can be made sometime after setting up of the apparatus? What is the observation? You already studied? It's okay. Tell me. In observation, we can observe.
Madam, same idle plant started to release oxygen through water
Yes.
like bubbles.
Yes. That is the answer. What test should be done? Arrive conclusion for the observation above. Having inserted glowing splinter. Right? What is the conclusion that could be made for the test, from the test? What is the conclusion? சொல்லுங்க, என்ன conclusion?
Madam, the glowing splinter will burn with a bright flame.
No, that is right. Okay. You are asking conclusion, no? Then the carbon dioxide, oxygen is releasing through the photosynthesis, right? Next one. When some soda water is mixed to the water in the beaker, while arranging this setup, the time to make observation decreases, right? State the reason for this briefly. What is the reason for this? The beaker irka water konjam soda water they have mixing. So in the setup la vara observation konjam late agudhu, decreasing. State the reason. What is the reason? Tell me quickly. Question.
Soda water control the production of oxygen.
Soda water control the
Production of oxygen.
production of oxygen. No.
No idea, madam.
No idea. கொஞ்சம் think பண்ணுங்க பாப்போம். It will come.
Madam, any chemical changes?
No any chemical changes.
Still don't know, madam.
Still don't know, right? Think பண்ணுங்க கொஞ்சம், right? யோசிங்க. சோடா வாட்டர் போட்டா என்ன நடக்கும் அப்படிங்கறத கொஞ்சம் திங்க் பண்ணுங்க. சோடால என்ன மிக்ஸ்ட் ஆகியிருக்கும்? சோடா வாட்டர்ல என்ன மிக்ஸ்ட் ஆகியிருக்கும்? சோடால என்ன மிக்ஸ்ட் ஆகியிருக்கும்?
Madam, I think it carbonated.
எஸ், கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு அங்க இருக்கும். ரைட், இங்க கேக்குறாங்க the time to make the observation decreases. No? Right, wait a minute. Right, you see, இதுல என்ன ஆட் ஆயிருக்குன்னு சொன்னேன். I told சோடா வாட்டர்ல என்ன மிக்ஸ்ட் ஆகிருக்கும்? have carbon dioxide.
Carbon.
கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு இன்னும் இருந்துச்சுன்னு சொன்னா இந்த போட்டோசிந்தசிஸ் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகுமா டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகுமா?
Madam, I think it's decrease.
Decrease the photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide
Increase, madam.
increasing, right? So when the soda water la carbon dioxide increase ஆனா the photosynthesis will increase. That is the answer. இந்த மட்டும் நீங்க கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா ஓகே, ரைட்? ஸ்கீம்ல தான் கொடுத்துருக்கு. Right? See the screen. Wait, I will share you. You see the 2024 5 paper, right? You see. In addition of soda water to water, CO2 gas is added to the medium. Soda நாங்க ஆட்டோவை போட்டோம்னா அதுல already carbon dioxide is there, right? Then the rate of photosynthesis increasing, right? அதுக்கு ஒரு மார்க். பாருங்க எப்படி மார்க்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அப்ப அந்த சோடா வாட்டர்ல என்ன இருக்குன்னு சொல்றதுக்கு 1 மார்க், ரைட்? ஸோ photosynthesis இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகுதுன்னு சொல்றதுக்கு 1 மார்க். Or when CO2 concentration increases, the rate of photosynthesis increasing. அதை டிரெக்டா சொன்னீங்கன்னா கம்பேர் பண்ணி சொல்லணும். கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகிறதுனால photosynthesis also increasing. அப்படி சொன்னா 2 மார்க்ஸ். கம்பேர் பண்ணி சொல்லணும். இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு கொஞ்சம் திங்க் பண்ற மாதிரி क्वेश्चंस they will give, right?
Okay, madam.
Okay. Right, and this one also the carbon dioxide practical, no? The black paper and like glass and the colorless glass strip, right? This one also I think same, that to test the factor essential for photosynthesis was the setup is to test which factor? Carbon dioxide. What is the reason to keep the dark in 48 hours? 48 hours you have to keep this pot plant.
To prevent from sunlight.
To prevent from sunlight. No. இதே கேள்வி நான் இதே இது கொடுத்தேன் உங்களுக்கு இதே நோட் எல்லாம் கொடுத்தேன் I gave the last class. What is the reason to keep the 48 hours in the sunlight? Sorry, darkness here. To remove, what is that reason? To remove the stored starch. Already அது ஸ்டோர் பண்ணியிருக்க ஸ்டார்ச்ல என்ன செய்யறதுக்கு கம்ப்ளீட் finish பண்றதுக்கு. Right? Write the color that can be seen in each following parts of the leaves during the test for starch. Part covered with the black paper strip. Black paper strip la enna color change vandirukku? What is the color change? Can observe.
No color change, madam.
No color change.
There is no any color change. In the colorless glass strip,
Dark purple or
dark purple or dark blue. Not purple, dark blue. Tweak, right? So this is how the part 2 question is mattu say namakku time pattadha. Time is 5 minutes poichu already. Right, உங்களுக்கு 8:30 க்கு another class, no? So we leave the class, right? இந்த கொஸ்டினை செய்து பாருங்க, கொஞ்சம் ஆன்சர் செக் பண்ணி பாருங்க. இதெல்லாம் செஞ்சதுன்னா the process food producing food in green plants called photosynthesis. அதே கொஸ்டின் தான், right? So பாஸ் பேப்பர் நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா 2017ல இருந்து 2025 வரைக்கும் உள்ள பாஸ் பேப்பர்ல இருக்க எல்லா photosynthesis கொஸ்டினும் today we done, right? 2017 to 2025 ல இருக்கிற எல்லா questions we done today.
Excuse me, madam.
Yeah, tell me.
Can you share this paper into group?
This paper?
Yeah, madam.
Okay, I will share you. Right? அப்படியே பாஸ் பேப்பர் கேள்வி தான் மேடம். ரைட், அப்போ நாங்கள் ஒவ்வொரு யூனிட் முடிக்க இந்த மாதிரி பாஸ் பேப்பர் செஞ்சுட்டு போனோம்னா that is easy for you, right? Okay. Shall we leave the class now? Thank you for joining. We'll meet on next class, right? Next class we'll study the third unit, the mixture. Okay.
Thank you, madam. Good night, madam.
Bye. Good night. Bye.
Thank you. Good night.
Bye. You can leave now.